Hello everyone and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to contact Amazon customer service. To start, open your Amazon application in your mobile device. Once you are now here, select Menu on the bottom right. What you're going to do for the next time is, you're going to scroll down until you see Customer Service. Select Customer Service this time. And then in here, you'll select which order you need help with. Scroll down to the bottom and select Contact Us. And then in here, you will need to pick out which one you need help with. Select which product, and then Amazon will now ask you in which part do you need help with. Select the reason, and then all you need to do this time is to select Continue to Customer Service. In here, select the preferred language, input your phone number, and then select Call Me Now. Once Amazon calls you, answer the phone so that you'll be able to have a chat with customer service. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.